What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I've never been more inundated when I haven't continued with a certain series than with the trucks. And so that's what we're doing. I think. I don't know. Okay. I think. Alex, are we doing truck stuff today?
I gotta get the rear end out right now.
I got you.
I'll put the lower kit on it tomorrow.
I've had a lot of people request when you're going to do your YouTube channel. When are you going to do your YouTube channel?
Not this life, man. Can't work and film.
Exactly. So, what we've got, we're getting this rear end out and getting the locker. Because this one's just, you got the open diff, right? And we're putting the locker 8.8 under it. And how far back we coming?
That's good right there.
All right, so, and then this is the lowering kit right here. Right. Who do you use, Alex? Is it Beltec?
Beltec 2.4.
So we're gonna put the Beltec 2.4 on it. And which engine are we sitting in it? Is it?
It's up there on that.
Okay. So yes, guys, I know you thought we forgot about the truck, but there's a lot that goes into getting all this together. But engine and trans, what is this, a 17? 16 6R80 and Coyote, obviously. Let's see. So yeah, guys, that is the what right now. I'm gonna swap her in, set the engine and trans on it, get the lowering kit on it, and then when's the cab and everything going over to Nick?
I'm gonna take the bed and fenders today, cab and doors go next week.
Epic.
Hopefully it's 2 weeks I can have all this.
So it won't be long.
No, it won't be long.
And you had, when you stopped by the other day, you had all the interior stuff in the bed of the truck already.
Yeah, I got all the interior at home.
So
Windshield's been cut out. I gotta order a rain sensor windshield.
oh, okay.
That's just gonna be all upgraded.
Gonna have all lariat stuff in it. Is it lariat or platinum stuff?
That's gonna be King Range.
King Range, okay. Real quick, you're seeing all these newer F150s and they're running really fast. And you're like, why are these trucks running so fast? Check this out. Yeah.
No effort, huh?
These beds weigh not, like you and I carry this bed. Seriously, guys, these trucks are light. These aluminum bodies, nothing to it. Like, that's one arm, and it's not heavy. So if you're wondering why these trucks run so good, especially with a Yodi in them, they don't weigh nothing.
Let me get this out of the way. Get those stupid parking brake cables off.
I'll throw the wheels on that rear end.
You going too fast, man?
No, I ain't gonna put them on there.
Yeah, you
Push your end back right.
Yeah, you was going too fast. Man.
I don't know, one speed, man, one speed. I'm like Ricky Bobby, you know.
I'm gonna set this in the bed of my truck.
Put it in the bed of your truck.
Cool.
Well, I'll let the bucket down. We'll
Yeah.
use the chain. It'll be easier with the chain. Two chains.
Two chains. Hey, it's probably gonna have to come down a little bit. Yeah. Probably gonna try to roll on you. I got you. Tailgate almost. There it is, yeah. All right, here we go. Progress. We're pretty well lowered in the back, right?
Lowered in the back.
We are lowered in the back. That's the
Get these leaves out of gas tank.
Beltec kit. Yeah. Yeah.
Just one.
Swapping pump. All right, why do we have to put the fuel pump in? Is it different from what it came with?
They take some out at the side.
Okay. Okay, so yeah. No specific reason as far as swapping that out. And next up, got to do the front lowering kit. So we're notching this hole right here, Alex?
Yes, inside all 4 holes.
Okay. And then right here, you're actually just swapping the strut. You're using the original spring and just swapping the strut over, so we can get the front end lowered, and then can we set the engine on?
You want to take it front end lower to set the engine?
Yeah.
That's great.
Sound the engine? Yeah, I love it.
Already over there.
You got all kinds of stuff got to come out of here. Yeah, whoever had this truck didn't have a very good ending.
No, I wouldn't want to ride.
No.
I need that for sure. That's bezel.
Yeah.
A 2-switch.
2-switch door bezel. And basically, none of this interior is staying.
No, all of it. Every time.
You got the sockets in this bag for this?
For which one?
These,
probably don't.
Yeah, this is gonna be a. Again, guys, this is the thing. You just get these old rubber floors and just base model pretty much everything. Won't be base for long. Alright. Actually, have you decided you're gonna go for the 18 front end?
Yeah,
you're gonna stick
18.
You're gonna go ahead and do the 18?
18.
Should be fun.
They have much choice.
Yeah. Is that the rain sensing windshield or?
No, it's just a regular windshield. Rain sensor have a triangle up there
Okay.
for the monitor and everything.
So this is gonna have rain sensing wipers and everything. That's the only way to roll. Shit, warm, sucker. There it is. Not bad at all. Drop that strut right out.
I hope so.
Maybe. I swear these look like stock S550 brakes. They're plenty big though.
They make the Brumbo adapter.
Oh really? Those some Brumbos on here. That'd be a nice little addition.
Yeah, that's what I want on the white truck.
$800 something.
Oh, you gonna put some on the white truck?
I want them on the white truck.
That'd be sweet.
I'm gonna put them on there.
I'd like to have them.
It's top sign, you know.
Oh yeah, I mean, look at the freaking brakes on these things.
For 2-inch lowering, 16 millimeter, use one of them.
We didn't use all of them then.
No, we need none of them.
Or none of them, yeah.
Drop it on the ground.
That'll be 0 is 3-inch drop.
None of them?
Come on, Alex, go big or go home.
Why you say 0?
We're trying to stance this thing, right?
16 millimeter on there.
I guess that's 16 millimeter, huh?
Yeah.
These are 8 millimeters.
Yeah, they just put it on the ground.
116, huh?
Yeah, then put the saddle on,
Saddle on.
spring perch on. I meant
Spring purchase on. Spring on.
spring on, put everything else back.
Spring on, nut on, huh?
You ready to go?
Bushing. You got the bushing here.
Yep. That's gonna do 3. 2. 2.
2.
That's almost not worth putting
That's
on.
weak sauce, ain't it?
Weak sauce. Come on, Alex. What are you putting 22s on it? Yeah. That still look good either way.
22s, you definitely need, at least a 6-inch front drop, huh?
Definitely. We need to be tucking them
Air ride.
22s.
We need some air ride. Thought you was going all out on this, huh?
And just like that, she's lowered. See, boys, stock spring just replaced the strut. Not that you can tell because there's nothing sitting on it, but Looking good.
You can definitely tell the back.
Yeah, back's definitely down.
I mean, the rear end's all got the springs now.
Nice flip kit, so I hang the tank. The only thing we're missing right now is the cross member bolts. Just the bolts, right?
Yeah.
And then we can set the
one engine mount. We'll set it below the train in.
yeah.
Put the engine in.
Slowly but surely. It's pretty crazy.
Ring from the pump.
Yeah. Taking a frame to truck takes a minute. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. We've had to kind of do this over several days as parts and time and everything else become available. But fast forward to how the truck is right now. The lowering kit is on. You can see she's slammed. And guys, engine is in. Again, Gen 2 Coyote, 6R80 trans. All that is in. So the lowering kit is in. The cab is back on. It's about to go to paint. Gas tank is on. Alex has got most of the interior stripped out. He's gonna, like, all of this is gonna be gone. So definitely stay tuned for the next update. Like I said, it's going to paint now. He's got doors and some other things coming for it because the doors were pretty jacked up. But I'm gonna let Nick work his magic on the body, and basically when it comes back from that, it's gonna be good. It's going to be basically good. And you can see he's got another bed on it with just that slight spot right there. So this bad boy is going to be ready. But yes, and as of right now, Alex is still planning on doing the 18 front end on it. Again, this truck is a 16. So stay tuned for that. Slammed, and he gave me confirmation he did order the 22-inch Shelby wheels for it. So this thing is going to be freaking sick. And then of course, just like the white truck, it's gonna have all the stuff in it you can't get in a regular cab short bed. Console shift, Sync 3 with the big touch screen, heated and cooled seats, all that fancy stuff. It's gonna be freaking epic. So there you go, guys. That is the update on the truck. It's, you know, again, it's project, takes a little time. This is all done part-time, so bear with us on the build. So if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy badass F150 builds from a frame, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will stay on Alex to get this thing done because I'm dying to buy it from him.